Hey everybody, this is Moses from Zother Gardens. I'm going to do a video really quickly here on just observation. I never really know when to prune my Cherimoya. My daughter's next to me. Here's a Cherimoya right here. You see how high it goes. I would say it's 12 feet high, maybe 13. But it's getting really windy right now. They're right over here. It's getting really windy right now, and it's starting to really, these branches are going like this now. Like all the way almost lateral, and I don't want breakage. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna just prune it right here, thin it out a little bit, and give some sunlight to the avocado that's right underneath it. This did very well, took a lot of the heat from the sun in the summer to keep the avocado nice and healthy. So I don't really think I had much burned leaves this year. Not too much, only where the sun was hitting from this direction. From over here, you can see the sun damage on the leaves. Moringas, I'll do another video on the moringas, but this is looking really good this year. I'm loving it. So, so they're playing behind me. 2 of the moringas are doing well. The mango is doing well, luckily. So I'm gonna build a little greenhouse of that. So, gardening with the kids.
Daddy, she's taking stick.
Okay, she took the stick. There's like a million more. Can you count to a million? But yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. Pruning it down. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.